Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be trying out Ulta's lowest rated makeup. So I went on Ulta.com and I refined all my searches to the lowest rated. I read all of the reviews. So I picked up a full face of makeup. Some of the shittiest products, at least the shittiest reviewed products that Ulta carries. This should be very, very interesting. I saw some really awful reviews for some of these products, but as I go through and do my makeup, I'm going to be showing you guys all the reviews and what people said about each product. Oh my god. See, I'm a little bit nervous right now. I really hope nothing I use breaks me out today. So yeah, I just want to uncover, are these products really that bad? Is there anything that works? I don't know. Let's find out. That's what I'm here for, to try out the products so you guys don't have to. I wanted to start off this video before I did anything just so you guys don't see like what ends up happening on my face. I want it to be a surprise, so just wait till the end to see how this all works on my face. But yeah, before we get started with this video, make sure you guys go and hit that subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. You guys, we are so close to hitting 600,000 subscribers. I think we're only a few thousand away at this point, so go tell your friends to subscribe, go share this video, retweet my tweet where I tweeted this video, go retweet my channel, go tell your mom to subscribe, go tell your dad to subscribe, go tell your sister to subscribe, go tell your aunties to subscribe, go tell your teachers to go subscribe, go tell everybody you know to go subscribe because I'm so close. I'm so close. So yeah, if you guys want to see how this turns out, then make sure you guys just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first product that I have here, oh shit. Starting off with primer, this is the primer that I found. This is the All May 5-in-1 primer. It says it's supposed to refine, correct, perfect, hydrate, and mattify. First of all, just hydrate and mattify at the same time. Honestly, you do you, maybe, but I don't think in any world that works. It's one of those really, really old school ones where they have like the little beads. I've never used a primer with these type of beads in them. They're not even beads. What are they're just like little balls of... I don't understand this. I've never understood these little balls. If anybody knows, is it just supposed to look cool? Anyways, let's go ahead and read some of these reviews. Okay guys, so on Ulta it shows you like the pros and cons, and it kind of makes like an average of what people said for like each review. So here are the cons. It says it doesn't work, poor coverage, irritates skin, doesn't stay on, causes breakouts. Oh, fuck, that last one really like, oh. Okay, wait, I'm confused. It has poor coverage. Are people just like dumb? This person gave them a 1-star review and it says it felt greasy and it was extremely heavy. I think they made a new formula of this and someone is basically saying that they ruined the product. The old formula was better and that the new formula sucks. And everyone's just saying save your money, clumpy, heavy. I returned it to the store, literally does nothing. This product doesn't do what it says it does. Worst primer I've ever used. The smell is also horrible. Someone said the smell is really bad. Let me smell this. Oh wait, ew, oh my god, look at that, hold on. Someone said it's really clumpy, look at this. It's like not coming out evenly. It looks like the beads are just like being crushed as I go. What? Looks like there's like oil in the midst of all that. So the overall rating for it is 2.6. So that's not like too bad, but the majority of these reviews were like 1 star. So I'm kind of nervous. I don't really want to use this. Ew, okay, it already started to separate on the back of my hand. It literally slipped down and all you can see is like the oil like dripping out of it. All right, let me not knock it till I try it. I'm gonna mix it together on the back of my hand because this shit is not mixing together. Okay. Ew, that looks like dirt. Looks like a face mask. It looks like it's like literally putting like a green layer over my face. It's like really not settling in. It's just staying on that like first layer of my skin. What the fuck? Looks like there's some like weird tint on my face now. Ooh. And out. Yeah, it's not really doing anything. Yeah, it's not really doing much for me, TBH. But then again, as far as it goes with primer, I feel like you don't really know how truly well it works until you go in with the rest of your makeup and see how all your makeup lasts throughout the day. So we'll see about that. Okay guys, so the next product I'm gonna be using is concealer to prime for my eyeshadow, and the concealer that I have here, this is the Burt's Bees concealer. This has 2 stars on Ulta, and mind you, there's only 3 shades on their website. There's no way. And look at their darkest shade. This is the darkest one. I don't think so. Not today, Satan. But yes, I'm gonna be using this to prime for my eyeshadow. Like I said, it has 2 stars, and the reviews. All right, let's get into these reviews. Oh my god. Okay, so a lot of people are complaining about the shade range. Someone said I tried the darkest shade and it was still extremely pale on my medium skin. This was horrible and pasty. Take your other customers of other skin tones seriously. Yes, ma'am. This shade range, it is atrocious and embarrassing. So a lot of people are coming at them for the shade range, which is like a fucking given. 3 shades is in no way enough. So someone said that the product has no pigment once blended into the skin. But okay, most of these reviews are horrible. A lot of people are saying that it's patchy, doesn't have enough coverage, it doesn't stick onto your skin. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna go straight in with it on the applicator. First thing I'm noticing, I definitely am gonna have to go in with a little bit more. I have a lot of veins and like purple blueness around my eyes, and I'm gonna need more coverage than this. I feel like it's kind of like see-through almost, especially since I have a lot of blue tones in my eyes. So we're gonna need some more of that. It looks pretty patchy. Like I can see all the texture of my skin, which is weird because on my lids, I don't really have that much texture. Who has texture on their lids? I can see texture on my lids right now. So for the eyeshadow, I picked up this Catrice palette right here, and I'm actually pretty surprised that this one had pretty bad reviews just because it has like a really nice shade range. Like there's some amazing colors in here. And also I've heard really amazing things about Catrice and especially their eyeshadow. This had 2.5 reviews. There's only 16 reviews though. This is $7, really inexpensive. The pros of this palette, people said it blends easily, applies smoothly, great color, very easy to manipulate and blend, crease resistant. And then the cons, someone said cheap compact case, difficult to apply, not super pigmented, doesn't blend well. I'd rather like the quality be going into the actual product, not the packaging, to be honest with you. I honestly don't care that much about packaging, so that doesn't really bother me, but I'm gonna be putting these eyeshadows to the test. You guys know I love me some color. Okay guys, so the first shade that I'm gonna go in with is this shade right here. This is the orange color in the palette, but let's do this. Okay. Okay, I mean like for the price, you guys, this palette is literally $7. Orange is actually looking really nice. I'm using this as my crease shade. Even with that like really crappy concealer underneath it, it looks nice over top. Do have to kind of like dip in a little bit more than I usually would, but I'm not getting any fallout or anything like that. So I'm grabbing a different brush and I'm gonna grab this shade right here, which is the red one. It's all the way at the end of the palette. I'm gonna use this just on this outer V of my eye. Oh, that's pigmented. Oh my god, this is actually such a nice red. Are you kidding me? I'm pleasantly shook right now. I'm really happy with how this eyeshadow looks so far. For the lid shade, I'm grabbing this yellow right here because it is like calling out my name. I'm so surprised there was so many negative reviews just because we're doing, like, I'm doing great over here, sweetie. My eyeshadow looks poppin'. Okay guys, so moving on, I'm gonna be grabbing an eyeliner now, and this one is from L'Oreal. This is their Sculpt Liquid Liner. So this has 2 stars on Ulta. A majority of these reviews were rated 1 star. So the cons, everyone said it was difficult to apply, it smudges or runs, fades throughout the day, difficult to remove, and it's clumpy. But yeah, oh my god, the overall rating is actually 1.8. I swear at the end of these review videos that I do, I always just end up with a table full of packaging, like ripped up packaging, because I just don't have the patience. What is that? Why is there a ball at the end of this? Actually, I'm gonna try and do it the way that they probably intend for this. So basically, I think it's supposed to be like a kind of tracing thing where you dot all the lines and then you kind of like fill it in. Oh no, it's not even coming out as a dot. I can't talk while I do this. There's just no way. I kind of feel like I'm using a marker. Look at that. It looks like a freaking 2nd grader did that. I feel like I'm literally using a Sharpie on my eyes. Oh my god, bitch. Did this shit really run out? There's no way they put this on the market and was like, yeah, no, that's like a good product. That'll work. Okay, that's the best I can do, you guys. Okay, where's the cap? Oh my god. It's already dried out. I'm never gonna use this again. I'm like, where's the cap? Fuck it. Alright, you're going in the garbage. Face is already primed. Let's go ahead and move on to foundation. So this is the foundation that I have right here. This is the Pure Bare It All 12-Hour 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Foundation. Okay, you guys, I'm a little annoyed right now. Ulta actually took this foundation off of their website. I guess it's because they had really bad reviews. So I actually bought this like a couple weeks ago, even a month ago. I've had this video plan for a while now and I'm just getting to film it. I don't have another foundation that's supposed to be really bad. Another foundation that's supposed to be really bad to use. What? So I'm still gonna use this one, but I'm just gonna go straight to Pure's website and see what people reviewed. So, okay guys, so the reviews are a lot better on Pure's website, but I don't know if I trust that. A lot of the reviews, okay, so I'm basically just gonna write it down for you guys. A lot of people were saying that even though it is a really full coverage foundation, that it was cakey, it was slippery, and it didn't last the full 12 hours like they promised. So I'm still gonna be using it today. I'm not gonna knock it till I try it, so let's go for it. Alright, coverage, bomb. But I'm actually liking the coverage so far. I'm just gonna try not to apply too much of this. The smell is awful. It literally smells like paint or something like that, and it was a little bit like sticky when I applied it and put it on the back of my hand and stuff. It was very like thick. I'm actually gonna go in with that concealer that I was already using before, the Burt's Bees one, and I'm gonna use this under my eye. The coverage is not good though on this concealer at all, and I like really full coverage concealers. Like, I'm used to that. Okay, I just zoomed in a lot for you guys to see. I also lowered the exposure a little bit, but that was one layer. I don't know if you guys can see, but you can see like all the texture right here. Like right after I applied that concealer, it already creased in 2 seconds. I feel like the more I go in and blend it out, it looks patchier and patchier. It picked up all of my foundation. It looks patchy in the area, like literally the only area I applied it, it looks patchy. This is awful. Awful. Do you see this? Do you see this right now? You guys, this is going in the garbage as soon as I'm done with this video. I don't think I've ever tried a concealer that awful. Like, it's kind of like a reverse concealer. It took everything off. I'm just like, my face itches. My face also itches. Okay guys, so moving on to my powder. So this right here was one of the lowest rated powders on Ulta.com. This is the LA Girl Pro Powder, and I got the shade Translucent. So this has 2.7 stars on Ulta.com. Okay, so the cons were it was messy, it has an unnatural color, it settles in creases, poor coverage, and cakes up. So a lot of people were saying that they love the banana one, which is the one that I do not have. I have the translucent one. I'm kind of scared this is gonna give me flashback or like a white cast. It looks very scary and white. I mean, the only thing is that I can't really tell if this is making my skin look any like drier or patchier, just because the concealer already made it look super patchy. I'm gonna go ahead and take a quick picture with flash, just see if it gives me any flashback. Okay. Ah! Okay, first of all, that's such a bad picture. Second of all, hello. Oh my god. Look. Oh! The flashback is real. Okay, I'm gonna, oh, there's powder on my fucking screen. Great. But we are nowhere near finished, so I still have to go in with my bronzer. I'm gonna be grabbing the Physicians Formula. This is their bronze booster, and this one is in medium to dark. So this is what it looks like. It's like a wheel of shades. I guess when I was looking, they didn't have any ones that were like 2-star or 1-star. It's not rated too bad. This one has 3.5 stars. So people said that it wears off easily. It's too shimmery. It has an unnatural color. It doesn't blend well, and then it clogs pores. So I'm gonna dip into the spring and winter shades because they're the two palest ones. And I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go stupid. I think I need a darker shade. That didn't really show up at all. But also, it's supposed to have like a little bit of a shimmer to it. Like, even if it does what it's supposed to do, I still wouldn't like it, just because I hate having shimmery bronzer. But okay, not bad. I feel like if okay, I just have to keep blending this. But first of all, I like the coverage. The pigmentation is really nice. It's blending nicely. So for highlighter, you guys, this was the like lowest rated one. This one had horrible reviews. So this is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Nude Highlighter Palette. Okay, the shades are nice. I do like the shades. Oh my god, I didn't even say anything, but I actually had to stop filming for like 20 minutes because my camera died. But I ended up going back trying to fix the eyeliner because I ended up getting some foundation on it, and it just looked like, you know when you get your concealer over it, but it's not a full coverage concealer, but it kind of just gives you like a gray, almost like greeny kind of color. Well, that's what I had going on. So I tried to go back in with the eyeliner and fix it, and this is what I ended up with. So here are the cons, okay? Everyone said that it has no pigmentation, it was chalky, barely any pigmentation, difficult to apply, and it flakes. Okay, but I think I'm just gonna grab this shade right here. This actually looks like the most promising one. It looks the most shimmery. Okay, it's not good, but it's not bad. It's giving me like something, like it's giving me something. I can tell it wants to give me something, but we're just not quite there yet. Yeah, okay, it's honestly not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. The general like texture of it is really, really dry, and I feel like I had to really like dip in to get anything, but I feel like if you took your time with it and you really wanted to use this palette, like if you really wanted to make this work, which I know a lot of you probably don't even, you're literally just watching this to get a laugh, but like I feel like it's buildable. I feel like you can definitely get it to that point. So moving on to setting spray. I picked up this one right here. This is the Essence Glow to Go Illuminating Setting Spray. People really went in on this one, you guys. People were harsh. Oh my god, they actually took this one off their website too. What the fuck? I think they actually like go through and probably take off items that get really bad reviews. This is the second product that I've used where they didn't even have it listed anymore. Good for you, Ulta. Go you. Honestly, we stan. Thank you. But like, that's not helpful right now. Oh, I should have screenshotted all the reviews before I fucking use them. I'm really like going through every single website right now trying to find the bad reviews because sis. So this is on the website Influencer. There's a lot of bad reviews on here. They said, I hate to say this because I love Essence, but the setting spray is horrible. It leaves glitter specks all over your face and leaves a greasy overcast on your face. It works better if you put it in a different bottle, but it still leaves glitter everywhere. And I remember when I was looking through everything, I do remember seeing a lot of comments about leaving glitter specks on your face. All right, let me just put my hair back and let's do this, okay? Oh my god, that is the worst fucking nozzle. First of all, I'm soaked. Second of all, that is the worst nozzle I've ever used in my life. Oh my god, wait. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What happens if you touch it? I knew it was gonna happen and I did it anyway. Do you see this? Like, what is going on? No, yeah, okay, fuck that. All right, moving on to lips. Okay, you guys, so for lips, I picked up this LA Girl lipstick. This is their matte flat finish pigment gloss. Hold on, okay, that doesn't add up. Matte gloss. Matte gloss. Am I hearing this correctly? What are you smoking, LA Girl? What is you smoking? So this retails for $5. It has 2.5 stars. So everyone is saying that it was sticky, it was drying, it had a clumpy application, it wears off easily, and it smells bad. Okay, let me smell it. Oh, I just got lipstick in my nose. Literally got lipstick in my nose. Like, I'm not kidding. Like, it's in there. All right, I'm honestly so tired. Like, I'm done. My face feels disgusting. I don't think you guys understand. Let's just go and apply this. I don't do reds enough, so I'm gonna do red today, even though it doesn't count because nobody's gonna see this. Nobody's gonna see this, bitch. Hi. If you guys see that, just, you already know what's up. Oh my god, it's so thick and sticky. Okay, you guys, so that pretty much wraps up today's video. That is the last product that I have to show you guys. I'm deeply, deeply disappointed. I don't know what I was expecting to happen. Oh my god, it's just such a mess. If you're looking at it from far away, from really far away, like a couple feet, maybe like a block, you know what I mean? In New York terms, a block away, it would look fine. My lips are sticking together. I feel like there's glue on them. Make sure you guys go and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys go ahead and give that video a like because I did this for you, okay? I'm gonna go do some deep and long skincare for the rest of the evening. I'm gonna go take this off. I will see you in my next video. Let me know if you guys want to see a part 2 and I'll go ahead and do Sephora for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you so much and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!